I go any further into this video, I want to say, you know, thanks to everybody who's been watching my channel, everybody that's been subscribing, liking, leaving comments, and even trolling. I still appreciate you too. I'm gonna try to keep pushing this content out for y'all, and I may have something special, a giveaway, a free giveaway. You ain't gotta do nothing, but I need to know if you a supporter, like for real though, because I don't want to be giving no trolls nothing. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned for what's to come. If y'all stay tuned throughout my last video, at the end I put in where I picked up this load. I had picked this load up after I had finished off that 3 or 4 stop trip that's in my last video. So let me explain to y'all what happened before I got this trip. In TNT, I remember anytime we would go to Utah, we would end up going to California or Washington. So I'm like, please do not send me neither one of them, because fuel is higher and more mountains. Not that I'm scared of the mountains, but I'm trying to save on that fuel. I really want to be more Midwest and kind of close to the east, because I got something to do. I got to swing by the house, do something. But yeah, so what does he do? He sent me a pre-plan for Washington. Yeah. He didn't send the rate because he said he was working on the rate and he was going to get back with me. So about maybe 10 minutes later, I get a message. My pre-plan is changing. I'm like, whew, good. What happens? He sends a pre-plan to Texas. I'm like, which this is the load that I'm on, but let me explain. So I'm like, okay, I'm not rejecting this load, but if you have something else that I can get in before payroll cutoff, I'll take that. Because so this was on a Monday that all of this was happening. So he's like, let me ask and I'll let you know. About an hour goes by and he come back with this one, California, delivering on the 21st, and it was paying $1,203.47. I'm like, man. I said, I'll just take the one for Texas, which that one was paying $2,510.17. So that's how I ended up with that. I didn't want to go no further west, not because of the mountains or anything, but it's like fuel is higher, and I want to kind of get back towards the Midwest and towards like the east side, because I got some things that I need to do next weekend. I need to swing by the house, so I figured if I take that load and go to Texas, that's gonna kind of get me closer towards where I need to be. I knew like if I took that California load, I was definitely gonna end up going to Washington, either picking up some apples, or some kind of fruit, or tomatoes or something like that, because that's usually where we would end up whenever we would go to California when I was in TNT. And shout out to my trainer. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel at Vaga Made Me. It was somebody at another truck stop. They was trying to slide their tandems. So I just went over and I asked, I said, you need any help? He was like, yeah, I'm overweight and I really don't know how to slide my tandems. I'm like, no. I asked him, I said, how long you been, you know, solo? He with Prime. He said he been out here, he just upgraded. So I'm like, your trainer ain't never teach you how to slide your tandems? He was like, no, he just did that. So I'm not no expert. I just know what I know. That's it. So I asked him, you know, okay, were you overweight at? He showed me the scale ticket, so he was overweight at the front. So I'm like, okay, you know, go through the little steps, tell him what to do, you know. If you know, go this many holes, it should be about this much weight. So he subscribed to my channel. If you're watching this video, hopefully, you know, how I showed you, it kind of works out for you. Because I'm not good at explaining stuff. I'm just good at, you know, just showing stuff. But that goes to say, if you see somebody struggling, don't just sit there and laugh and record them and post it on social media. Go over there and see if they need help. You know, because you never know if somebody new and if these trainers really training their people. I wasn't gonna leave until about 9, but I'm bored laying here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this drive. I'll be excited and ready to drive, and I can get a little bit of, maybe about an hour, 2 hours in of a little bit of day drive, because it's currently 6:20 here, and I'm about to head to Amarillo, however you say it, Texas, and finish fueling up, and I'll be on my way to the 90. More than likely I'm going to another truck stop just to rest, because how it's looking, I'm gonna get there around maybe 2 or 3 a.m. Y'all had to make me a little pit stop and change my status. I fell in love with this place from TNT. Normally, if you're watching this video, you know exactly why I'm here. And the only reason why I'm here at this truck stop, Russell's truck stop here, like whenever you get close to Texas, leaving out of New Mexico, I just come here to get some cotton candy popcorn. Now the Springfield terminal be having this popcorn, but that popcorn be stale there. But here, they always have it fresh. So I'm probably about to get me like 2 bags. If I known that I was this close, I would have just stayed here. But then I would have been eating too much popcorn. Ooh, they out of death. See if they need anything else. Should I get this y'all little like cotton candy flavored stuff? I didn't get a chance to come in here whenever I was coming during China. But look at these cars, y'all. All classic. Real cars made out of real material. There's millions of dollars up in here. Look at the prices back then. So y'all, finally just got here. Traffic was crazy. I ended up shutting down early last night because I got sleepy just out of nowhere. I got real sleepy. But I've been trying to get unloaded early. But they were saying that it's a $303 fee to unload me early. I'm like, I'm not about to pay y'all so y'all can get y'all stuff early. Like, I just arrived here at my regular time, I guess. But since I had shut down this morning, I ended up having to drive. I think I only had like 60 miles left to drive, but that 60 miles, you know, which would usually be about an hour, it turned into like 2.5 hours because of that Dallas traffic. Traffic was crazy. You ready to go in here and check in? Oh yeah, that cool. That trailer right not too bad. Looks like I already got a door, which is door 1. I'm guessing it's all the way down here at the end. But I wish they would get an updated one. Something like an iPad or something. Bit off, but we're gonna fix that. Okay, I'm lined up how I want to be. Pull up a little bit, open these doors. Come on, come on. Why they doors ain't open? Let me make sure I'm supposed to open my doors because she didn't really say. Hey, y'all want me to open the doors or leave them closed? Y'all leave the doors closed or open them? Keep them closed? Okay. Thank you. Well, that's good. Just take my lock off. So they just got done. 2 hours and 9 minutes. Let's see what it's looking like on the inside. I think I can get that clean. Now I go get my paperwork and go to this truck stop, y'all. It's a TA right down the road, about 13 minutes, and they got a Starbucks. So I just came in from getting my paperwork. I'm about to do my depart shipper. That's done. Now, make it to a truck stop. Get that TV off. Do both of these open or just one? You need a
You wear that all the time?
yeah. You need to check the trailer or the paperwork?
No, you're good. I just need the trailer number.
Okay. Thank you. What's so funny? I hate parking at this time. That's why I drive at night, so I can park like in the morning, because it's always parking in the morning, because most people start their shift in the morning. But let's see if we got some truck parking at this TA, so I can get me some Starbucks in the morning.